Hi, good day to everyone. My name is Jim, founder of JT Techtronics Senayan Berhad. We are the LED display design manufacturer house. In front of us is a 4-digit production counter display panels where you can see we have target and actual. The size of the display width is 450 mm and the height of the display is 210 mm and the character size is 70 mm. Let's start our presentation today. Where you can see this is the controller box where we have connected the infrared sensor so that it is counting. So let's go to the mode button. Press and hold. You can see that there's a dash, that means that we can set the target. So this is 1000, 100, 10 and 1. Once you have set the setting, press and hold again. So now is the actual. So for example that you have some counting from 2283. So press and hold again. So we count from 2283. So whenever there's things pass by, there's a countings over here. So once we reach end of the day, here's a reset button. Press and hold to reset to 00. If you like my channel, help us to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.